Dhanteras is observed on the 13th day of Krishna Paksha in the month of Kartik, a day when we welcome the divine energies of wealth, health, and auspicious beginnings. Buying something new on Dhanteras represents inviting new energy, abundance, and auspicious beginnings into your home. It is believed that what you acquire on Dhanteras multiplies many times over in the coming year because the planetary and divine energies of wealth and health are at their peak on this day. In this video, I am sharing the 7 most auspicious items to buy on Dhanteras and why they are considered so powerful. So stay tuned to learn this Vedic secret and do subscribe as my next video will guide you through everything you need to know about Dhanteras and Diwali. Now let's explore the 7 most auspicious items to buy on Dhanteras and the significance behind each. Gold and silver. In the Shastras, these metals are associated with Mahalakshmi and Kuber, the deities of prosperity and wealth. Gold symbolizes pure consciousness, immortality, and divine light. Silver represents the cool energy of the moon, peace, calmness, and stability. So when you buy gold or silver on Dhanteras, it's not for luxury but to honor the abundance principle. Brass and copper utensils. Metals like copper and brass are considered sattvic in Ayurveda and Vastu as they attract positive pranic energy. Broom. The broom represents cleaning away negativity, poverty, and misfortune from one's home. It is said that Goddess Lakshmi resides where cleanliness and purity are maintained. So purchasing a new broom signifies inviting Lakshmi by removing a Lakshmi, that is negative energy. Ayurvedic herbs and oils. Because Dhanteras also celebrates Dhanvantri Jayanti, the birth of Ayurveda, it's auspicious to buy Ayurvedic herbs and oils on this day. This act honors the divine healer and affirms the value of health as the first and most important wealth. Food grains. Buy grains like rice, pulses, or wheat, which represent Anna Lakshmi, the form of goddess Lakshmi that nourishes life. Gomti Chakra. The divine Gomti Chakra, sacred to Bhagwan Vishnu and Goddess Lakshmi, is a symbol of abundance. Keeping or worshipping the Gomti Chakra is believed to attract wealth, remove financial blockages, and protect against negative energies. And the most important one, bring home a spiritual book or granth. The highest form of dhan is jnana, that is spiritual knowledge. The wealth of spiritual knowledge is the most sacred and permanent. By bringing a holy scripture home, you honor both Goddess Saraswati, the source of knowledge, and Goddess Lakshmi, the bestower of wealth, creating a perfect balance of wisdom and prosperity. So these are the 7 most auspicious items to buy on Dhanteras. You can choose to buy the items that you need and resonate with. Now if you are wondering when is the most auspicious time for your Dhanteras shopping, it's during the Pradosh Kal, the sacred period just after sunset and before night. This is considered the most powerful time to make your purchases and perform the Dhanteras Puja. And what should you do after the purchase? When you bring home the items, don't use them right away. First, place them on your puja altar, sprinkle a few drops of Ganga Jal, light a diya, and chant Lakshmi or Dhanvantri mantra. I will be sharing the specific mantras to chant during Dhanteras and Diwali in my next videos. So stay tuned for that. Only after this puja should the items be used, as this sacred act purifies and charges them with positive energy. So by buying these sacred items, you are inviting both material prosperity and spiritual abundance in your life. May Goddess Lakshmi bless you with wealth, wisdom, and positivity this Dhanteras and always. Try these rituals and do share your experiences in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more spiritual guidance, Vedic chants, and mantras. Hari Om.